Tuanze? Yeah. Thank you. Good morning. My name is Michael Masei Saka. I'm the branch secretary, Kenya National Union of Nurses, Machakos, representing all nurses working in Machakos in the county government and other private entities. Today morning, we're here to present our strike notice and deliver it to our county secretary. Our strike notice is in regard to issues we've had since last year. We appreciate the efforts that the governor did last year by promoting us. A number of us were promoted, while majority of nurses were promised promotions which will take place in January, but they were never effected. As we speak currently, we're having more than 1,000 nurses who have never been promoted for the last 7 years. We are asking her governor to expeditiously promote nurses who are due for promotion and arrears which were due for us, and as she has promised last year, to pay us accordingly. Right now as we speak, a total of 1,015 nurses are due for promotion. These promotions have been long overdue, now cumulative for more than 7 years. We understand the county government has money for the promotion, and the money has been budgeted for. So we are asking the county government to kindly and expeditiously promote us. As per our strike notice, we have other grievances. One, we are seeing a lot of allocation being done in the construction of the various facilities, dispensaries, health centers, expansion of various health centers, and conversion of some of the health centers into level 4s. But we are not seeing any nurse being employed. And as we speak, the country, through His Excellency, he has advocated for people to move out of the country to go and look for greener pastures. Most of our members have exited service, and none up to date has been replaced for the last 3 years. As we speak currently, more than 250 nurses have left service in this county. None has been promoted. We are seeing health centers being put up. No single nurse has been employed. More than 300 of our members for the last 2 years have not gone on leave. This is quite unfair. We are asking Her Excellency, Tunajoe and Mama Yetu, kindly address this issue. Secondly, we're having a problem with supplies in the hospital. Right now at level 5, we don't even have food for the patients. Our patients are being brought food daily. Imekuwa kiosk. We are wondering what is really happening. The other day we had issues with our support staff. They are not being paid appropriately. What is really happening in health? We want supplies to be brought in the hospitals, and we want our hospital to fully function. Our work is a calling, despite being despite it being our profession. Of healthcare delivery in this country and in this county. So today we've issued a 21-day strike notice. Be rest assured, we will close down all facilities in this county, from level 5 to level 2. Not only will we be closing down the health facilities, we have other people who have so many grievances against pertaining to health who will be supporting us. And I can assure you, health will come and ground down on 24th of July this month. So kindly, the county government, our issues are very simple, and those issues we are addressing. Aim number 1, and the major goal, is our patients, who happen to be your electorates. So number 1, give us enough staff in the hospital. A letter kindly, correctly and addressed to Her Excellency the Governor. We have addressed the letter to the Chairman Public Service Board. We have addressed the letter to the County Secretary, the Head of Public Service. We have addressed the letter to our CEC, Dr. Yumbia. Give us enough staff. You interviewed people. Why haven't they ever been deployed? Secondly, we are in the issue of staff, still in the issue of staff. We're having UHC staff who have been on contract for more than 3 years. Those are clearly unfair labor practices. Let's desist from doing that. Secondly, provide us with adequate hospital supplies. Tumechoka. Tumefanya nini? Tumechoka. Provide us with adequate hospital supplies. Those supplies are being used to treat your constituents. Number 3, promote, redesignate, and pay our arrears. Hiyo ni haki ya nani? Hiyo ni haki yetu. Number 4, as workers in this country, we're entitled to a CBA. We want our CBA signed, registered in court, and implemented. Otherwise, as from 24th of July, we are sharing this also with the wananchi of this county and the neighboring counties, Makwiny, Kitui, Kajiado, Nairobi. Those who come to seek for our services in Machakos. As from 24th of July, kazi ifanye nini? Kazi iendelee. There will be no work. Thank you very much. What you are seeing clearly is someone who is not sincere. We've indicated very clearly that on 13th of September, we did a presser and we agreed to resume work, where we were given promotion letters, but our arrears have never been paid. From a year down the line, from our agreement on 13th, we were promised that by January 13th, 2024, our arrears will have been paid. This ilitupo katika nini za sahau, kaburi la sahau. On 24th of February, we met again, where we were promised that the promotions will be effected by 5th of June. Right now we are in July, zero movement. We are coming all this as being very unfair labor practices, and we will not be party to it. We will not be party to it. And we are wondering, where does the money of our members who will resign day in, day out go to? Yes. Any other question? We have reached out to all offices concerned. But there, as a union, our work is very simple. Ours is to bridge the gap between the employer and the employee. And we have reached out to all of them. All of them. And the excuse we got was what? Kuna maandamano. Now we are wondering, our members report to work every day. Meetings are being held. Tumeona His Excellency President Ruto meeting even the clergy, meeting the youth. What is the problem with them meeting us? Do we mean to state that they are more insecure than the president? No, we are not happy. Yes. So as health workers, tunafunga. Mapambano. Haki yetu. Yes, thank you. Mungu mbele. And this one you should put it we're putting it directly to Her Excellency. She requested nurses not to go on strike. We never went on strike, with her promise that she will address our grievances. Now you're wondering, why aren't you addressing them? Mama, tunajua unaweza. Fanya.